Welcome to VideoPad tutorial on Sonic Tech the Self-Learners Club. This video will show you how to modify tree diagram on LG Lats HVAC. If you click on Y branch, you can delete Y branch, delete lower leg or delete upper leg. And if you click on indoor unit, you can delete it or insert Y branch. You can also cut or copy part of the system to paste it in another part of the system. And you can change Y branch to a header. And change an indoor unit type to another. After you finish, reselect outdoor unit and check the system.